Freelancing offers great opportunities, but it also comes with risks. Today, we'll discuss common freelancing scams and how to avoid them. First, let's talk about fake clients. These scammers often create fake profiles, offering enticing projects. Always verify client identities through reviews and previous work history. Next, be wary of unpaid work scams. Some clients may ask for free samples or trials. Remember, your time is valuable. If they want a sample, set clear boundaries and discuss payment first. Now, let's address overpayment scams. A client may send you a check for more than the agreed amount and ask you to refund the difference. This is a red flag. Always wait for checks to clear before proceeding. Moving on to fake job offers. Scammers often send emails with job offers that seem too good to be true. Research the company and reach out directly to confirm the legitimacy of the offer. Phishing links are another threat. Be cautious of emails asking for personal information or directing you to unfamiliar sites. Always check the URL and look for secure connections. Escrow fraud is also common. While escrow services can protect your payment, scammers may create fake escrow sites. Use trusted platforms only. Lastly, let's discuss red flags. If a client pressures you for quick decisions, avoids video calls, or has poor communication, consider it a warning sign. Protect yourself by using secure payment systems, keeping records of all communications, and trusting your instincts. Stay informed, stay safe, and enjoy your freelancing journey.